Still paying for cable or multiple streaming apps but not getting all the channels you want? You're wasting money. Your Firestick can do way more if you set it up the right way. In this video, I'll show you how to install and configure TVMate on your Firestick to unlock maximum channels and a smooth experience. Welcome to Tech Vibes. Let's get straight into it. First, install TVMate the right way. On your Firestick, open the Downloader app. Enter the official TVMate APK link and install it. If it blocks installation, just allow apps from unknown sources in your settings. This step takes less than 2 minutes, but it's where most people get stuck. Once installed, open TVMate and you'll see a clean interface ready to go. Second, add your IPTV playlist correctly. This is where the magic happens. Choose Add Playlist and enter your M3U URL or Xstream Codes login from your IPTV provider. Double check your details. One small mistake here can cause loading issues. Once added, your channels and categories will appear automatically. Now here's the key. Don't just stop there. Third, optimize your setup for maximum channels and speed. Go into settings and adjust playback. Set buffer size to large or very large. This reduces buffering and gives smoother playback. Turn on hardware decoding to improve video performance. Also enable auto frame rate for smoother motion, especially during sports. Then clean your channel list. Hide categories you don't use. This makes navigation faster and keeps everything organized. Fourth, organize like a pro. Create a favorites list with only the channels you actually watch. Think of it like your personal cable lineup. No scrolling, no clutter, just instant access. You can also create custom groups like sports, movies, or news to keep everything clean and easy. Fifth, fix common playback issues instantly. If some channels lag or don't play properly, switch to an external player like VLC or MX Player. These apps handle streams differently and can fix problems without changing your provider. It's a quick fix that saves a lot of frustration. Also, adjust your EPG settings, reduce how often it refreshes, and clear old data occasionally. This keeps the app running fast and smooth. Now here's a bonus tip most people miss. Use TVMate Premium if you're serious. It unlocks features like recording, multi-playlist support, and backup. That means you can save your setup and restore it anytime. If you switch devices, you won't lose anything. It's a small cost, but it saves time and effort long term. Once everything is set up, your Firestick turns into a powerful IPTV hub with hundreds or even thousands of channels without paying cable prices. If you run into any issues while setting this up, drop a comment below. I'll reply within 1 hour and help you fix it. If this helped you, like the video, share it with someone still overpaying for cable, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more smart tech tips. Enjoy your upgraded setup.